A lot of people rely on the stability of the kayak to stay upright, to avoid capsizing. And when they get into rough water, especially steep waves, it doesn't give you any stability. It's the paddle that gives you the stability. Before I get started, let me introduce myself. I'm Paulo, and you're watching Dancing with the Sea. We can force our way, or we can understand the water and kayak to move with ease. It's a different way to paddle. It's a different feeling. If you're just paddling along normally, like you learn to paddle in calm water, when you get into those waves, you're going to need to react with a brace every time you lose your balance. What we want is to paddle in a way that keeps us stable at all times. You know, when you're driving on the highway and you put your hand out the window, you can control your hand perfectly just by moving the angle just a bit. The Greenland Paddle gives you that kind of control in the water. You put it in the water at an angle like this, and I'll show you what happens. The more I use the Greenland Paddle, the more I realize how perfectly suited it is for rough conditions, for changing conditions, any conditions really. It's not like you're planting the paddle like this and moving it back and you get no support from it. You're putting it at an angle like this. As long as I'm putting pressure on it, backwards pressure on it, I can't capsize on the other side. And if I start falling on this side, I can just flatten it out and I have an instant brace. If you'd like to learn more about paddling in a way that makes you feel more comfortable in the waves, more stable as you paddle, I made a free mini course for you. Just click on the link in the description below to sign up, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching.